Okay, how to use ink-mar.com. When you sign up, you will be redirected to this page where you can add your first feedback form. You can always later click here also at the top right to add your feedback form. We are just going to do this, and then basically you can easily create here your own feedback form. You can add options to the form, you can change the question, and you can always preview your changes here. So what we also need to do is to type in a name. This form name here, this will be your individual name of the form. This will be not shown to the end user, so you would just type in maybe the domain and maybe the question to differentiate this, but you are totally free to do this here. You can change the question, and you can also remove or add fields here. So now we removed some fields. Let's click on preview. So we only have 4 options left. And when you tick this box here, text input, this will then lead to, when the user clicks the field, show a text input to ask him to please specify. So for example, the other options don't have this. I would definitely recommend to always include an other field, because basically sometimes the user doesn't find himself under these options, and it's always best practice to then include an other field with a free text input, so the user can specify where did he first heard about your service or your business or whatever. You can then can change of course the button color, etc. pp, and the font family. And when you are done, you can click on save. Then when it's successfully saved, this alert appears here. You can click OK, and you will be redirected to the default summary page. And here you can see your feedback form. You can see the integration code. You can also delete your form. Just be sure when you click delete, all collected data in the statistics will be lost. You can also view results. Currently, we don't have any results yet. And next step, of course, is to implement the form. So please be sure to watch also the implementation video.